Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. So you can contact her. So I'll be sharing her link in the description below, guys. Cancers. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today in your circumstances, Fool in reverse, Three of Pentacles in reverse, and Knight of Cups in reverse. So in your circumstances, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are going through, you are a person who is a very devoted person. So whatever you take up, whatever decisions you make, you stand by those decisions, you try to do things in the right way, and maybe the people you are with, maybe the people you work with, or maybe this person you love, they are not so devoted or dedicated. So that is what is creating a lot of anxiety for you. Because of that lack of dedication, lack of that enthusiasm, cheerfulness, that is creating a lot of troubles in your situation, troubles in your work, some difficulties in your work, or some troubles in this relationship. So this person you love, maybe they are not serious about this love, about you, or they are not dedicated like you. So they are not concerned about you the way you are concerned about this person. So this lack of interest or that cheerfulness in this relationship is the reason for some worries or troubles, and you feel that this relationship may not work. Maybe they have some other interests, and their carelessness or their is the way they are dealing with this situation. Whatever it is, it just shows their careless attitude, their playful attitude, and they are not serious, they are not focused in this relationship. And maybe you must be quite careful. Maybe this person is not what they are, what you believe them to be. So what you believe about them, what qualities they have, and what you saw them as, maybe all those qualities or your belief may not be right, and you must be careful because this person is hiding something. They may be hiding their true intentions, hiding some secrets, their true emotions or feelings. Maybe they are here for a reason. So you must be really careful. You must, if you are making some important choices, decisions in this relationship, if you are thinking of a committed relationship, moving to the next step, maybe you must think twice before stepping into that. So we will see what is the card for your relationship first. It's Hierophant. So you may have different beliefs and views about each other. But for some of you, circumstances are changing. There will be a balance achieved. Maybe whatever difference of opinions you may have, some troubles in this relationship, whatever it may be, there are chances that circumstances will resolve and it will take you towards marriage or a good relationship. So for your career situation, we will see what is the card. It's Six of Wands in reverse. So in your career, maybe you're quite afraid of something, maybe afraid of future or how things will turn out. Maybe some kind of expectations you have about something. You're worried about something. But you need not worry. Your hard work is definitely paying off, Cancer. You need not worry. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching, Cancers. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, the all-encompassing hand. Such a beautiful card for you all today, guys. So with this card, the energy is that this is the hand of the divine that is reaching you today. And there is no limitation for the blessings it can bestow. And the troubles it can lift from you. And the tenderness it can communicate to you with that sacred touch. So all you need to do is allow that divine hand to reach you. Do not turn it away. Do not let your shame or mistakes or guilt or notions of independence keep you from accepting this blessing coming in your way in your life today. So this divine hand is here to wipe away the tears of the past. Maybe you are hurt, you are hurting, you are in a lot of pain. And this is a help coming to unravel the ties you have bound your hands with, preventing you from fully giving and receiving your worth. And this hand is here to help you. And the help this hand is going to give you is without limit. So you just need to accept this blessing coming in your life today, guys, for those who chose this card. And this oracle card also comes with a special message. Maybe you in your life, you are in a circumstance or in a situation and you feel that that circumstance is not resolving or it is not, you are unable to solve the problems you are facing. And this oracle guidance comes with a reassurance that there is nothing beyond the reach of the divine hand of grace. So all can be solved and all can be resolved. So there is always a higher, better and a more beautiful outcome in your situation with that divine blessing. So that is what is the energy with this card, guys. So there is a blessing coming your way for those who chose this card, and divine help going to reach you today, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we will see what is the card. The day boy and the night girl. Balance. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your life, each and every one of us have that darkness and light in us, the good qualities and the bad ones. So whatever it is, we need to find that balance. And we need to find that balance, because only then we will be becoming that whole person. So sometimes we go through times when we are still or quiet, and we may walk unwatched. People may not see us. Sometimes there is light shining on us, bright light shining on us, bringing us into that radiant life. So we need to understand that this light and darkness is part of our life, and all the qualities we have, maybe some good qualities, bad qualities, whatever we have, that is what makes us our whole self. So we must embrace all those qualities, the masculine and feminine qualities within ourselves. And now is the time for us to work with our fears, whatever we have, and overcome it. And balance is needed for this true wholeness of our being. So we may have certain fears, certain inhibitions holding us back. Whatever it is, we must try to understand it and overcome it. And this card may also suggest that you are healing from a very bad childhood trauma, whatever you faced in your life. And there is a whole new world waiting for you. All you need to do is go out and reach out. That is what this card is about. And that is the reading with these cards, guys, for you all today. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.